For the past 35 years, I've been in sales and business and management and teaching and training, and I get to incorporate all of that into my everyday duties to help people maximize their VA home loan benefits. My name is Glenn Leach, and I am a senior loan officer with Veterans United Home Loans. So when I'm not working, I spend a lot of time with my family. We love to enjoy the beautiful outdoors of the Pacific Northwest. What I really like most about the company is every employee contributes a part of their paycheck every month into our Veterans United Foundation that we get to do some amazing things with. I've been doing this for a long time, and this is the first company I've ever worked for where I really felt like from top to bottom we truly care about doing what's right for the customers. We're all in this 100% to help veterans improve their lives and gain wealth through home ownership.